Akshay Patil, can you share your screen? Can you speak out? Did you complete the task I have given?
Sorry, sir. I was in office work. That's why I have not completed. I will show you tomorrow, sir.
Dayasagar Dalai. Dayasagar, can you unmute? Hello, Mr. Dayasagar. Can you show me the task? I have given you task on Saturday.
No, sorry, sir. I have yesterday is my interview, so that's why I have not completed this.
Ashish Singh Chauhan, can you show me the task? Ashish Singh Chauhan.
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen? Did you complete the task?
Sorry, sir. Actually, I forget it because सर एक्चुअली में मैं तैयारी कर रहा हूँ इंटरव्यू का, सो इसलिए कर नहीं पाया सर.
Harish Palakonda. Harish Palakonda, can you unmute? Did you complete the task?
Not able to attend the last few 5 days I have gone today. I was going through recording.
Harish Palakonda. Purushottam Chaudhary.
Sorry, Saturday I didn't attend the class, so that I am not aware of the assignment, whatever you provided.
It is there in the class notes.
Okay, I will share you tomorrow, okay? Because I didn't attend the class on last week.
Alok Jha. Mr. Alok, did you complete the task? Alok, did you complete the task? I'm not expecting the whole task to be completed. At least if you have tried, I want to see how many of you really interested to do this course. How many of you completing the task which I have given? First time I have given one assignment. Tumala Prashant, can you unmute and can you speak out?
Yeah, hi sir. Actually, I didn't attend the classes, so I didn't check.
Very good, very good. Syed Mujib. Syed Mujib, can you unmute? Did you complete the task, Mujib? So I think nobody completed the task in the class. Nobody completed the task which I have given. Please complete this and show me, then only I will take the next class. Okay? Some people are saying that they did not attend the class on Saturday. Some people saying that after 5 days they are attending today. Some people saying that they forgot it. Some people saying that they are having the interviews. So everybody is having a reason. But I want that project to be completed. At least I want you people to do a try how to implement that project. So if you are not doing that on your own, then tomorrow, how you will survive in the company? Whenever a requirement comes, you should be able to do it on your own, right? Nobody will help you in the company to develop the project. So I will be online. So people open your IDE and start creating the project. If anybody have any doubt, you can ask me. I will be available now to clarify your doubts on the requirement. I want everybody to try the project which I have given as an assignment. There is nothing new. You need to insert the data and you need to retrieve the data. Only that task I have given through WebMVC. Right? So please start doing the coding part now. If you are facing any problem, if you have any doubt on the requirement, I will be available to clarify your requirement. Yeah, start guys. Because without you guys are developing the code, without you are developing the project, there is no use of completing the course. Right? There is no use of completing the course when you guys are not interested to do the task on your own. Each and everything I have explained. How to insert the data, how to retrieve the data. So I want you to combine all the things and want to develop a single application. So nobody is interested to do that. When you are not interested to develop the code, I am also not interested to take this class now. So let's do the coding now. Start. If you have any doubt on the requirement, let me know. I will clarify. Alok, you want to speak? Yeah, Alok. Unmute your mic.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I just wanted to say that, sir, actually from last 7 to 8 days, I'm not able to do the live classes because my mother is having GIST cancer, and
Okay.
I'm in the hospital, and today only I discharged her. So last class of exception, I didn't gone through that class. So, sir, could you please tell me what requirement you have, means what project you have given, because I am
If you
not
see the
aware.
class notes, you will understand the requirement.
Okay.
I have given the requirement in the class notes. If you see that class notes, you will understand it. What requirement I have given.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. I
Okay.
didn't see the class notes. I just gone through the video. So I'll just
Ah.
go through it and will complete that requirement.
Sure. Now you can start it now. Today I will not take any class. I want you people to try that code.
Sure, sir. I'll do it right now.
Out
Sure.
of 100, nobody has done that, guys. Not even single person. Out of 100 people, not even single person has done the task. So it's not good at all. Please do the coding. I'm not going to take the class. I want you people to try that. If you try and if you fail, then you can ask me, then I will help you to solve the problem. So because it's not a school to spoon feed each and everything. It's a technical course. There should be some coding practice from your side. Then only you will learn the technology. If I am writing each and everything and if I am developing, you will not understand. You will not get the confidence. So to become a programmer, you should be able to write the code on your own first. You need to think and you need to write it. Tomorrow, when you join in the company, nobody will help you to write the code for your requirement. Everybody will have their own requirement. You should be able to do it. So you need to try that coding. I expected that at least half of the people will complete the task because you have Sunday holiday also. But not even single person. Not even single person completed the task. So if anybody having any questions on the requirement, you can raise your hand. I'm here to clarify your questions. If you don't have any questions, that project will not take more than 1 hour to develop. Somebody raised their hand. Diksha. Yeah. What's your question?
Hello, sir. Like, not a question, sir. I have developed it partially, sir. I have done a registration and login form, and
Good.
I have not done the create task part. So I'm able to insert the data for registered form, and I'm able to see it from the backend as well.
Yeah, good. So now you do the create task, and once the tasks are created, you know the requirement, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
task should be
Yes, sir.
should
Just
be
I
displayed.
have a few doubts, sir, in the login part. Like, there we have to use validation, right? Because what is happening when I'm submitting, when I'm putting the data and submitting, it is taking, even if I'm submitting it without data, it is taking that. And if with the wrong data also, login is happening. So I have not implemented the validation part.
Yeah, so do that validation and do the creation task. The main requirement is, so which task we are inserting that should be displayed based on the logged in user. That is the main logic there. That you need to crack that and you need to implement it. Okay? Yeah, good, Diksha. At least you tried something. Great. One person in the class has tried out of 100. Remaining people, if you just stay in the Google Keep by keeping calm, there is no use. So open your IDE and try to write it. Read the requirement. If you have any question, raise your hand and I will clarify your doubt. When you guys are not practicing, there is no use of completing the syllabus, right? All the WebMVC topics are completed and I have given you a small requirement to develop that. You guys did not try. Do that. Any questions? I will be here to answer. You can just raise your hand in the Google, in the Zoom. I will unmute and you can speak. Nobody is having a doubt. Nobody is having a doubt. When you don't have any doubt, then why you did not develop that?
Sir, a small doubt for the login part, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I'm not getting like how to implement validation there. So can you help me with that validation part, sir?
Yeah, yes. Already we have implemented server-side validation in the project, right?
Yes, sir. Not null and all, I am able to do that, but I have not applied that validation. I'll add that. But other than that, also we have to apply validation for the correct data. It should log in with the correct data, right? So that part I'm not able to write the logic, sir.
For login, there is no correct login or not. That you need to check with the database. Credentials are correct or not. If credentials are correct, then only they will log in. Otherwise, they should not be able to log in. So that's
Yes,
not
sir,
related to validation.
Yeah, sir.
That's
Like
a
that
logic.
I wanted to implement actually. I am not able to do that. That's what.
That's the logic actually.
Okay, sir. I'll try with that.
Think
And sir,
thoda soch ke,
okay, sir. I'll try that. And also, sir, that create task, I'm not that clear. Can you just once again explain that part so that I'll proceed?
It is just a form where you need to take the data and you need to insert the data into database, right? Create task. You should have a form which 3 fields: task name, task date, and task timing. That's it. How you created the registration form, in the same way, create task form should be there. The thing is, the task is creating by which logged in user. That data we need to maintain in the database, because if I log in, only my task should display. If you log in, only your task should display. So it is just like a form to insert the data. That's it. But when you are inserting the data, you need to take care of it. This task is inserting by which user. When that user logged in, then only that task should be displayed in the table.
Okay, based on user, it should display the task, right?
Based on the user, it has to insert. That is what, right? Task creation and display task functionality should work based on the logged in user.
Okay, sir.
This point already I mentioned in the requirement.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else having any question?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, when I enter the data in sir validation part, I am getting a error, sir, null point error. Shall I share my screen?
Yes, you can. Yeah, share your screen.
One second. Sir, it is easy.
Yep. Run your project and show me.
Yes, sir, I already run this, sir. I did the
I'm seeing only your IDE, sir. I think
okay.
share your complete screen.
Okay. Sir, I am able to see one screen only.
I'm not seeing anything. Share it again.
When I hit the URL, it comes like this, sir. If we don't enter any data, we will get this error, sir. Validation is not happening.
1 minute, 1 minute. Scroll down.
I think.
Go to your code. Open your ID.
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir. Sir, it is visible.
Yeah, I can see.
Hmm.
Binding result.
Yeah, by
Okay, show me index.html.
Sir, PID is required for the @ID, I think. @ID annotation.
No, that's not mandatory. I have given the Git repository. Check what is the difference is there.
sir, I
can-
already checked that. I will not get any.
Go to your controller class. Binding result, second parameter. Take the binding result as a second parameter. Model as a third parameter. Here, the variable name also take it as product.
Yes,
Line number 23. Variable name also product. No, that is data type, man.
Okay,
Instead
okay,
of
okay.
P,
Okay, sir.
save that. Here, line number 24, there is a issue.
Yes, yes.
Line number 24, compilation issue.
Okay, sir, it will be visible. Sir, what is the difference, sir?
The thing is, model object should be the last parameter, and the binding class variable in the above method you are using as product, in the below you have used as just P. That should be same when you are redirecting to the same page.
But it is local variable, I think.
It will be stored in the model object, right?
Okay, okay.
In the index page you are using as form binding as product.pid, product.pname.
Yeah.
But in this method, you are setting the product object into P variable. When you return to the same page, it will search for the product object with the key product. But in this scenario, it is P. It is not able to identify.
And it will store the model data.
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Anyone else having any doubt? Anyone else having any doubt? If you don't have no doubts, then you can just drop and develop the requirement which I have given. I want to see that. If you guys submit your assignment, then only class will happen. If anybody having any questions, you can ask me. I'm here to answer your questions on the requirement which I have given. I want you people to start coding that requirement. If you don't have any doubts, you can just drop from the class and work on the requirement. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Tomorrow also, I will ask you people to show me your code. I want to see that assignment which you have implemented. This is a task for you people. You have to do it. I explained data JPA. I explained WebMVC. I explained integration. I explained how to insert the data, how to retrieve the data. The same task I have given as one project. If you are not doing that, means you don't have interest in the course. Then don't join. If you want to join the class, you need to complete the task. Nobody having any questions? Yeah, let's stop this for today. And I want to show this task by tomorrow. Thank you.